protecting network performance through expert maintenance and testing services. Reliable telecom networks depend on proactive maintenance and regular testing. Alpine helps organizations maximize uptime, improve efficiency, and support compliance requirements. Our services include preventative maintenance programs, backup power system support, and advanced testing designed to identify issues before they impact operations. With nationwide field support, experienced technicians, and advanced diagnostic tools, Alpine delivers the expertise needed to keep critical telecom infrastructure performing at its best. By taking a proactive approach to maintenance and testing, Alpine helps extend equipment life, reduce unexpected downtime, and ensure long-term network reliability. Visit our website to learn more